Molino Health Fryer Kitchen Appliance, Non-stick Teflon base, self-cleaning, 4 kilograms food loading capacity. The best way to send out your love to your family is by giving them nothing but the best food they could ever have. The Molino Health Fryer is here with you to deliver a healthy, nutritious, and tasty meal on your table. The Molino Health Fryer is a complete package of a fryer, oven, toaster, and barbecue grill all blended in one. This premium kitchen appliance is incredibly convenient and is a great addition to your home devices. It can prepare foods twice as fast as the traditional oven. Its heat system is quickly and evenly distributed by a fan, so your food remains tender every time you use it. You can now enjoy your food without the worries of cardiovascular diseases and keep your cholesterol levels under control. This high-performing kitchen device doesn't require oil every time you cook. Its construction is completed with an operating panel, handle, ventilation grill, transparent lid, heating fan, locking mechanism, pivot hole, body, and non-stick Teflon base, making it reliable enough as a replacement tool for microwave oven, barbecue grill, steam pot, deep fryer, and even toaster. It is housed with standard accessories including dual wire rack, high/low, tongs, frying basket, pivot, and 2 chicken spit to meet our cooking needs. The family that eats healthy foods together, stays together. That's why the Molino Health Fryer has produced a new way of preparing and cooking foods that are easy to operate, designed to promote a healthy and long life. Molino Health Fryer Kitchen Appliance, Non-stick Teflon base, self-cleaning, 4 kilograms food loading capacity. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.